Hello, I'm Eljie Castillo, Section 1C. Today I will be discussing the causes of total extinction of criminal liability under Article 89 of Revised Penal Code. First, death of convict. As to the personal penalties and as to the pecuniary penalties, liability therefore is extinguished only when the death of offender occurs before final judgment. Pagka ang tao ay namatay at siya ay na-undergo ng criminal proceeding, syempre it will be extinguish his or her criminal liability. Matatanggal po ito dahil isa sa condition ng penalty is that penalty must be personal. Kung sino ang nagkasala, siya din po ang dapat parusahan. At kung namatay naman ang offender, sino pa ang mag-serve ng kaso para dun sa crime na nagawa niya. So, death convict is the one of the causes of total extinction. Effects of death of the accused. Number 1. Death of the offender before, during, or during trial. Death occurs before or during trial. The criminal case must be dismissed. Dahil kung namatay na nga siya before or during trial, useless siya dahil wala na yung mag-undergo ng rehabilitation, wala nang mag-serve ng kaso. Number 2, death of the accused pending appeal. The death of accused pending appeal, his condition will be extinguished his criminal liability as well as his civil liability arising from the crime committed. Pag namatay po siya while he in his appeal, still his criminal liability will be totally extinguished. Number 3, while death pending appeal extinguished criminal liability, the Supreme Court may still review the case. For example, namatay yung offender nung panahong umapila siya, they found out that he is innocent, they shall render to appropriate judgment. Ibibigay pa din ang pinakahatol ng court para kahit na siya ay namatay, ay mapapatunayang pa din na hindi siya nagkasala sa batas. Number 2. Service of sentence. After the convict served his sentence, his criminal liability is automatically extinguished. However, service of sentence does not extinguish civil liability. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang convict ay na-serve na niya yung sentence, syempre, maalis na po yung criminal liability. Pero kahit na serve mo na yung sentence mo, pero hindi mo pa nababayaran yung civil liability mo, hindi po yun ma-extinguish. So, separate po yung criminal liability sa civil liability. Third, amnesty is granted by proclamation of Chief Executive with the concurrence of Congress. It is public act of which the courts should take judicial notice. Criminal action or liability is total extinguished by amnesty, completely extinguish the penalty and its effects. Ibig sabihin, once the group kasi nga ang amnesty ay ibibigay sa group of person who commits crime, especially if that political crime. Ginagrant po yan ng Chief of Executive and also concurrence of Congress. It will wipe away all the criminal liability and all its effects. Number 4, absolute pardon looks forward and relieve the offender from the consequences of an offense of which he has been convicted. An absolute pardon not only blots out the crime committed but also removes all disabilities resulting the convict. Ang absolute pardon kasi once na it it is granted to a person, it will extinguish all criminal liability as if no crime committed. Number 5. Prescription of penalty. It is loss or waiver of the state it is right to punish the convict. In other words, prescription of penalty is the loss or forfeiture of the right of the government to execute the final sentence after the lapse of certain times. Once na nag-expire na yung penalty, hindi po maaaring persecute yung tao na yon ng gobyerno. Number 6. Prescription of crime or offense. Refers to the loss or waiver of the right of the state to persecute offenders after the lapse of certain time. It cannot be waived or extended since it is for the benefits of the accused. Once prescription has sent in, the court automatically lost jurisdiction. Ito ay pag-prescribe ng offense, which means yung ating batas binibigay lamang kung kailan pwede mo persecute yung isang tao. Mawawalan ka ng karapatan ng mag-file ng charge sa tao na yun kapag nadaanan o natapos na yung period ng time. Dapat kung hanggang kailan ka lamang pwede mag-file ng charge, kahit mga authorities na may power, hindi rin sila allowed mag-file kapag natapos na yung time allowance para mag-file. Number 7. Marriage of the offended woman under Article 344. Marriage of the offender with the offended woman after the commission of the crimes of rape, sedition, or act of lasciviousness as provided in Art. 344 must be contracted by the offender in good faith. Masasabi natin na mawawala yung criminal liability ng isang offender kapag pinakasalan ng offender yung offended woman or yung victim. Halimbawa, si Mr. J ay ni-rape si Eliza na nagsampa ng kaso si Eliza laban kay Mr. J. Ngunit sinabi ni Mr. J na papakasalan niya si Eliza at gusto din naman ni Eliza na at meron silang settlement dahil doon ay mawawala na yung criminal liability ni Mr. J. Last, number 8, express repeal of penal law. If a law enacted and it provides therein that the criminal liability of the accused is extinguished, then it is express repeal of penal law. Ito naman at kapag sinabi ng batas na walang bisa yung criminal liability ay tuluyan ng maaaring di makulong yung offenders. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening.